3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TKO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
In today's video, I demonstrate a step-by-step process to resolve the issue of YouTube sound not working on Android devices. Begin by opening the Settings app on your phone. Then scroll down and locate the Sound and Vibration section. Open it and ensure that the media volume is turned up to a sufficient level. If the problem persists, navigate back to your home screen and press and hold the YouTube app icon until the app information menu appears. From there, tap on Force Stop and confirm by clicking OK. To further troubleshoot, you can clear the app cache by selecting Clear Data and then Clear Cache, confirming again with OK. After completing these steps, the sound issue should be resolved. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips.